Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the speedometer fuses are located, you have up to 8 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. If you have problems with the speedometer, always check all these fuses. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the speedometer fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. Now you have multiple fuse boxes. Today we're working 2. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the door. Here, if you look under the dash on the left side, all the way upside down on the bottom of the dash, you're going to find a white cover. Remove that cover by pulling the tab. Behind it you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now for the speedometer guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked. You may have all of them or you may have some depending on the year, model and engine configuration. The first fuse that you need to check is 1, 2, 3, 4. Check if you have fuse number 4. If you have it, check it. Then 5, 6, 7. Fuse number 7 will need to be checked as well. Next you need to check that 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 5M fuse. After that, you may need to check fuse number 31, it will be all the way here. Next, you need to pop the hood open. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it. You'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste money and time. We'll zoom in that section here, and the fuse that you need to check. First is fuse number 1, 7.5M fuse. Then that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9, fuse number 10, and fuse number 13 guys. Those are the fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.